Alright, I just finished my seminar, all in Japanese, and I understood about 85% of what they were talking about. It's pretty interesting living in Japan that, basically I've got to learn a lot of things, understand a lot of things in Japanese, but it's a very good explanation about the drone and all this features and everything right there. It's pretty straightforward. If you already know the topic or you know the theme, then it's a lot easier to understand the Japanese when they're explaining things. But now I think we're going to have an opportunity to see a few people fly the drone. Of course, this is a Mavic Mini right here in front of me, and they've got the controller. And again, there are two areas. There's an advanced area over here, and then some users are going to go over to the basic area. I think I'm a terrible pilot. I think I'm a pretty terrible pilot, so I'm probably going to go to the basic area where they have mode 2. So, I don't want to embarrass myself. ちょっと恥ずかしいね。もし誰でも見たら、この人はすごいスキルレベルはちょっといいね。But yeah, I really like this place again. As all the drones are laid out here. And it's so awesome, and I'm gonna come over here with the basic guys and just watch them play around with the drone for a little bit. I'm really just here to get some video for my YouTube channel. So of course, let's take a quick look here. I'm just gonna have a look at it. So this is what it looks like with the full propeller guard set up on there for the basic mode. And once again, it's still rather light. So let's have a look at what some people do with the drone. So right now he's just letting the battery warm up as he's getting ready to take it up for a test flight. I'd like to be a little bit more on the inside. God, that thing is stable. I'm gonna come back. I got it. Right here. Once again, I just had my first flight with the DJI Mavic Mini, and I'm really surprised how stable the drone is. I mean, it just holds its position really nice. And the other members who are here today at this seminar, are really surprised at how quiet the drone is. I was surprised at how responsive it is. It's actually very quick for a small drone because it's so light. So even a little input on the stick is just a very, very quick movement. So, I mean, I think you still have to be very gentle with this drone. But once again, it's beautiful. It really is. And this guy's giving me a good shot here as he's just showing you the whole body of the drone while it's rotating in the air. That's excellent. It's really nice. So once again, I can't wait to get mine. It's gonna be about maybe 1 week or 2 weeks before I can get my Mavic Mini Air, but it's gonna be really fun to take the Mavic Air out and take the Mavic Mini out and get some good video with both of them, yes. All right.